Okay, annyeonghaseyo students.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, I will read the story for this week. Then first I will read in English. Then later on I will translate in Bisaya. So the title is
Vibrant Garden.
In a vibrant garden, Peter the rabbit explored colorful vegetables. So sa usa ka kabuhi nga talamnan, si Pedro or si Peter ang kuneho misuhid sa mabulukon nga mga kanon, each teaching him the meaning of nourishment, providing essential nutrients. Ang matag usa nagtudlo kaniya sa kahulugan sa pagkaon, sa paghatag og importante nga sustansya, as a savored the diverse flavor. Ingon sa usa ka lamian ug lain nga mga lami. Peter learned the importance of balanced diet for health and vitality. So si Pedro nagkat-on sa importansya sa balansi nga pagkaon alang sa panglawas o kalagsik. The garden became his classroom and the vegetables his teachers. Ang talamnan kuno nahimo niya nga classroom ug ang mga utanon ang iyang magtutudlo. So karon in celebration of the Nutrition Month, ang Nutrition Month is celebrate na siya every July sa Philippines. So, Nutrition Month nagisaulog matag Hulyo sa Pilipinas. Ang tungong mao ang pagpataas sa kahibalo sa mahinungdanon sa hustong nutrisyon, sa kinatibuk-ang kahimsog o kaayuhan sa mga Pilipino, ilabi na sa mga bata sama ninyo. So as you can see in front ninyo, naa diri ang the healthy food pyramid. So kung ingon guide healthy food pyramid, naa din na siya ang go. Ang go na belong na siya sa mga carbohydrates. So ang grow, naa na siya ang mga protina o ang protein, mao na siya ang grow. So aris ka sa glow, mao na ang mga utanon, vegetables o fruits, mao na siya na belong sa food pyramid. So the healthy food pyramid. Nakasabot. Nya, kita Nutrition Month maron, unsa may angay kaon nun? Mga utanon. Dapat i-balance gyud nato ang atong pagkaon. Dili lang ka masigit kaon og mga instant. Dapat mukaon ta gulay og mga utanon para sustansyado. Kay kung sustansyado ta, alert man ang atong mind. Kay kung dili ta healthy, magluya pud ta. Ha? So, ang atong story within the whole month of July is related siya about sa Nutrition Month. Okay? So, start na memorizing sa atong story this week.
So, annyeonghaseyo, this is Teacher Pam together with the students. We're having a practice for reading with regards of vision and mission of Mactan Korea channel. Okay, students, annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so now let's begin your practice.
Vision: to create a brighter future for underprivileged families and students in Mactan by nurturing well-rounded individuals who excel in academics and character. We envision a community where every child, regardless of their socio-economic background, has the opportunity to develop strong English communication skills, mathematical proficiency, and exceptional moral values. We are also increasing students' entrance to university or college. Mission: academic excellence. Our primary mission is to provide high-quality education to underprivileged students in Mactan. We aim to foster their academic growth by offering English conversation and math lessons that are engaging, effective, and tailored to their needs. Our dedicated volunteer teachers are committed to equipping students with the knowledge and skills required to excel in their studies. Character development. We believe that education goes beyond textbooks and classrooms. Our mission extends to instilling good manners, ethical values, and a sense of responsibility in the children we serve. We seek to develop students who not only perform well academically but also demonstrate respect, empathy, and integrity in their daily lives. Inclusivity and equal opportunity. Mactan Korea Channel Education Team is committed to leveling the playing field for all students, regardless of their socio-economic circumstances. Our mission is to provide equal access to quality education, ensuring that every child in Mactan has the chance to reach their full potential. Community engagement. We strive to be an integral part of the Mactan community, working closely with families, schools, and local stakeholders to create a supportive and nurturing environment for our students. We believe that collaboration is essential to achieving our mission. Volunteer empowerment. The dedication and passion of our volunteer teachers are central to our mission. We are committed to providing them with the necessary resources and support to continue making a positive impact on the lives of Mactan youth. Mactan Korea Channel Education Team is driven by the belief that education can be a powerful force for change. And our vision and mission reflect our commitment to empowering the next generation with the knowledge, skills, and values that will transform their lives and their community for the better.
Okay, so since the other students is not around, so we will be having a set of practice next time. Okay, so thank you so much. As for now, we need to practice more so that mag-coincide ang inyuhang reading. So, na harmony. Okay, thank you. So, sige na, bye-bye na kay ano, it's very hot na. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye!
So, we're having a clean-up drive here in Buyong area, especially in the NEM3 area. And special thanks also to Vanessa as Buyong volunteer, always helping me throughout assessing the students. So some of the students are not around since they are having a personal thing doing in their home.
Okay, annyeonghaseyo students.
안녕하세요.
So, kumusta man ta?
Kira.
Kira. So, I call your attention about ni sa computer addiction. So, I hope some ninyo wala na addict sa computer games ha. Bantay bitaw na inyong bitaw. Which is, ang computer addiction is dili maayo. Pamati, ang computer addiction dili siya maayo. Kay usahay, mapas mo na, malate na mugkaon. Labinag, maadik. Mahibawan, manggina siya ba?
Ako ta siya sa cellphone ra.
Dili siya maayo mag-addict sa computer ha. Dayon, ikaduha pod kalas na siya kwarta. May pa inyo nang iikuan. Dayon, inyo ra nang ilimit ang pagduwa niyo sa computer. Mas maayo inyo na siyang i-transform sa mga sports activities like badminton, volleyball, ug unsa
Badminton.
mga sports activities kay ma-form of exercise na siya. Dili na siya maayo nga masig computer ha. Bantay masakpan pa namong nay mag-computer yun. Dayon kuan. Pwedisan mo magbasag mga libro para nay makatunan. I-limit ang pagdula og computer kung mahimo dili gyud likayan. Kay ang computer addiction maka-form na ninyo og mga dautan nga kuan usahay. Kasinabot. Kasabot. Bantay bitaw. So kinsa may nagduwa diri mga computer?
Usay na sa kuto.
So i-limit ha dili magpalabi. I-minimize. Way mapili kay nay nakakita ninyo babae ug laki. Nakasinabot.
Interested na si Marikit at Chelsea. Marikit og si Kuan si Gigi.
Narana ninyo kamo rin nagkasinabot dito kay kamo may mga classmate dito sa inyong giduaan.
Internet di mo?
Kani siya simo pabad mo. Katultol na si sir kung asang computeran mo. Palit kay nag-ana. Wabaya yun, masipet akong storya. Nga si sir mo kalitan nagbuto. So, i-minimize ninyo, i-limit ninyo ang magduwag computer. I-transform na ninyo sports activities. Nanatay dito'y bula na may badminton. So, kana ninyong duwaon or magbasa-basa mong libro. Kaya namoy makatunan.
Kami magkatsambal.
I am clear.
Yes!
Okay.
Katsambal.
Bye-bye, students.
Bye-bye!
Ada naman TV show.